Hey YouTube, it's Kale. It's April 25th, I think. I know I've made a lot of videos in the past couple of weeks. I just have a lot to say, I guess. A lot going on in my mind, and I haven't been able to get into my counsel for a couple of weeks, and this is the best therapy, I guess. It's kind of therapeutic getting my thoughts out there. Fortunately, I have a counselor's appointment Tuesday. I haven't talked to my counselor about last weekend and everything. Fortunately, for the rest of this week, it was, for the most part pretty good. There's a couple of days when I was just really bummed, but so it was a good thing. I want to make this video to address more on the mom situation. It's just been really rough, especially the body dysphoria. I'm trying not to, I'm trying to hide it and not go on that, and as it is, I'm not looping my voice like I usually do. I'm also speaking really, really quietly because I'm sitting outside like 5 feet from the window, and my mom's like maybe 7 or 8 feet from the window, so I don't want her to overhear anytime I'm on a video, and that would be the way she finds out. So it's just, I've been trying to figure out ways to tell my mom, because I really do want her to know, and I really do want to be able to talk to her about it. And I don't know how, and I don't know if I'm ready or not to talk to her. I just realized doing the video outside probably isn't listening to something too much to distract me, but it's too nice to be inside. Anyways, back on the topic of my mom. It's just really rough, because my mom and I are so close. I want to be able to talk to her about this, whether she understands or not. And it's just really rough, not knowing. And I just want to be able to talk to her about stuff, and I can't because I don't know how she's going to react. When I tell her I'm afraid that she's going to be afraid of the same thing when I came out to her being a lesbian, that I was going to get kicked out. So I waited until I was like 3 or 4 months from going to college. No, I was like 6 months before I went to college that way. If she tried to kick me out, I'd be like, okay, give me 6 months, and then I'll be off to college and you do. Fortunately, she took it pretty well. When we finally did talk about it, because it wasn't until after I went to college that we talked about it, that she told me that she didn't matter to her, I was still a kid, and she still loved me, and hopefully that's going to be, at least eventually, the reaction to this. But you never know. We can hope, but you never know how people are going to react. And unfortunately, she's been pretty low back throughout my life, so I'm hoping and guessing things are gonna be okay, but I'm still really worried, and especially at this point, with trying to get into a new employment after having to quit my last job because of, my knee was injured. I mean, now I've got, a brace and stuff and pain meds to, make sure that I can use my knee and not have to worry so much about it. Get everything around it strengthened so that I'm not injuring it more, which has gone pretty good. I haven't had issues with it for like a month or so now, so the brace did its job stabilizing it while I was wearing it, and pain meds helped so that I could use it more, be able to strengthen it more. So now I can get back into the workforce, and I'm actually, hopefully Monday, going to a job service, getting into a program where I can learn a program for 18 to 20 somethings, so I can learn a trade or something, or just something that I can get into some job so that I can get back into school eventually. I mean, I'd be just as happy in a manual labor job, but there are some other jobs that I would be interested in. Not saying that I wouldn't want to be in manual labor, but I definitely would love to do something with kids or something. I'm really good with kids. They seem to really take to me right off, and which is nice, because I don't know what it is about the kids. They make me smile, and they're just really cool. Maybe it's because I'm just a little kid at heart, playing with kids my own age. I've had so many people tell me that I am 19 going on 5, soon to be 20 going on 5, but yeah, I don't know how I got from coming out to my mom to little kids, but definitely would like to get the ball rolling on my transition before I get into anything too solid for a job, because I just don't want to. I'd rather do this long thing, save up some money, be able to start at least passing a little better, so that maybe work on getting my name changed better. At least my name changed anyways, since that is a little easier than getting your sex changed. Or from what my mom has said, I've talked about changing my name for a long time. Well, at least my middle name anyways, but that's a long story for another time.